In this video, we will learn how to find composite functions, their values, and eventually solve this problem. Subscribe for contents like this and comment the topic you want to study next. Let's start. For a function fx equals 2x minus 1 and gx equals x squared. A composite function is when you find a function of a function. So here we have f of g of x. It can also be written as f of g of x. Notice here we were trying to find the function f of x, just x. We are here doing f of g of x. Now, to find f of g of x, let's understand the main basic function, fx. In simple words, x is inside the bracket. Let's see what happens to the term x that's inside the bracket. Here we multiply that x by 2 and then minus 1. We'll do the exact same thing. We have gx inside the bracket. So we have 2 times of g of x and minus 1. See, I did the same thing as we had in the function fx, because eventually I am still calculating f of x, f of gx. So similar to 2 times of x minus 1, you have 2 times of gx minus 1. And now we replace gx with x squared. 2 times x squared minus 1. That's your solution. You can also calculate g of f of x. In this case, g is defined like this. So the fx that's inside the bracket would be just squared. And now fx is 2x minus 1. So we plug in the values, 2x minus 1 squared. That's the solution. Let's see this problem. We are trying to find f of g of x and f of g of 2. Let's start with f of g of x. Fx is defined as 3 times x minus 2. So it is 3 times of g of x minus 2. And g of x is x squared plus 1. So 3 times x squared plus 1 minus 2. 3x squared plus 3 minus 2. 3x squared plus 1. And finally, we find f of g of 2. What you do is, you have f of g of x already. You replace the x with 2. We have 3 times 2 squared plus 1. 3 times 4 plus 1, 12 plus 1, or 13. Now that you understand the problem, try this one by yourself and write the answers in the comment below.